The Love and Murder was created by New York City bartender Nicholas Bennett at a bar called Porchlight, and the reason why I am very excited to taste this cocktail, this is the very first time I'm mixing this drink, is because it takes like Chartreuse. Well, the original takes Chartreuse and Campari and blends it together. That is a very bold base for your cocktails. You've got two very polarizing flavors in there. Today, obviously, we're taking the Chartreuse out and we're gonna be using the Facchia Brutto Centerba. Part of the reason why I'm using that is because it's from New York, and part of the reason is because it's very close to Chartreuse, and I feel like there has to be something that's a little bit bolder and a little bit more complex to stand up to the Campari. I'm a little nervous about this though, because I can see how Chartreuse and Campari combine. I don't know how this is gonna go. I hope it goes well. Let's get into making the drink. We're gonna do 1 full ounce of lime juice into our tin. 5 drops of 5:1 saline solution, kosher salt to water. We're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup, 1 ounce of the Facchia Brutto Centerba, 1 ounce of the Campari here. Hey Marius, where did we get this glassware from? I really love it. It is my favorite shape of coupe.
I think you can get it on Amazon.
Oh, you can? Is that where we get these, on Amazon? You don't say. I'm gonna put a link below because I think all of you guys should have one of these glasses as well. Give it the old double strain. Very Campari forward, but I do taste the Centerba on the back end. The lime and simple syrup is balanced. You know, the saline solution's really bringing out a lot of those flavors, kind of amplifying them. Very Campari dominant, but now I gotta mix it up with Chartreuse. You know, that Campari is a lot less prominent than I thought it would be, although you do get that just intense orangey bitterness right on the back of your palate. What's nice about this is that the Centerba does come through. I will say that those genopy flavors, that like alpine flavor, comes through a lot stronger with your regular green Chartreuse, but the Facchia Brutto comes in strong. If you like Campari, you're really gonna like this cocktail. If you don't like Campari, it's going to be a little bit challenging for you, but it is a must try. It is really interesting and very complex. It's a lot more palatable than you guys might think. But there it is, guys, the Love and Murder.